That's what Steve would do. That's what he likes.
Would he?
But he doesn't mind hiking a run like that. So how long do you think that was? 20 minutes? Or more than that? Oh, look, he's starting a little avalanche. See? Little fluff. Of course, you can't see. Go ahead.
You almost
Oh, there comes a bunch more.
Where? Oh yeah, I took that out, yeah. Oh, I got him. That's cool.
Oh, now we get to see where that guy came down.
Oh, that's sick.
On the first day. Right where he came down. Oh my gosh. Oh, you get to see how steep that was when he comes down. That's crazy. Okay.
Oh, my ears are popping.
Wow.
That's gorgeous, huh?
Your folks should just do this to ride to get the view, don't you think?
Yeah, just.
This is proof that Scott was here.
Hopefully.